Have you been struggling to make money on the internet? Have you not reached the success that you want to reach yet? Then I've got some great news for you. On the 17th of March, we are launching Legends of the Digital World, where we're bringing over 20 different legends from the digital world directly to you on live workshops. And the great news is absolutely free. So on St. Patrick's Day, we're going to launch this amazing event. We have got Matt Basak, legend of the internet, one of the founding fathers of an awful lot of the techniques that are used today in email. Matt Fury, another legend, who is another pioneer who actually creates copy that works. Telman Kutson will show you how to be absolutely amazing in your wealth creation. We've got Shopify, e-commerce, social media, Facebook Live, chatbots. You name it, it's going to be on this. It is the first time that you're going to get a comprehensive look at all different aspects of what works in the digital world today and how it makes money. And these are people who talk the talk and walk the walk, and that's very important. So imagine in this day and age, you can now get all the information you want directly to your mobile phone or on your laptop while you're sitting at home. By the way, my name is Anthony McCarthy. I'm known around the world as the Irish Marketer, and that is why I'm here in the legendary Blarney Castle shooting this video, because I think it's a great place to announce the launch of the Legends of the Digital World, which is starting on St. Patrick's Day, another great legend. So why should you get on this? Let's get straight to the point. Well, over a decade ago, I went online full-time after I'm now in business for 3 decades, and the secret that I learned in 3 decades of business is this: go to the people that are where you want to be. Go to the people who you know are successful, who you know are doing what you want to do, and learn from them so you can model it. And that is the reason I'm putting this together on Patrick's Day, the 17th of March. And it's going to run for a number of days. Okay, you'll see the full agenda is below on the number of speakers. And we've got some really legendary people coming in, including my mentor, who I started with, just got attacked by a bird. My mentor, who I started with, is Matt Basak. Matt's coming on to talk. Matt has made multiples of millions of dollars on the internet. We have the legendary Matt Fury and numerous other people that are coming on. You can see the full list is too long to go into here because the video would be on for an hour. So let's ask this question: why should you be there? Because you need to learn from people. If you haven't been successful, if you're looking to get on for the first time, or if you've got a business and you're trying to make it successful, how do you get the fast track to success? How do you find the shortcut, the secret to getting there quickly? Well, that's by learning, as I said, from people who are already doing it. And that's why we're putting this event together for you. You don't have to travel around the world like I did. You don't have to travel, to a different country, a different state, a different town. You can do this all from the comfort of your own home. You will now get access to these live training sessions on your laptop or your mobile phone that you can then access and go through and learn from these guys who have made billions and billions of dollars on the internet, literally billions of dollars on the internet. No place can you get this type of information. Nowhere else is this event going to happen again, and you get it all on access to your phone. So let's have a look at some more of the speakers that we have on the Legends of the Digital World. So we've got the legendary Telman Kutson, and Telman's going to talk about how you discover the 150-year-old mind hack that breaks entrepreneurs through the financial glass ceiling you've been stuck under for years. Telman is a hypnosis wealth expert, and you're going to experience a live wealth hypnosis session to wire your subconscious mind to have bigger ideas and start making more money in 48 hours. And we also have Tracy Repchik, who is going to talk about get seen, be heard, make more and reach millions. Crafting your message, how to craft the code of your target market, how to make it irresistible for them to buy from you. Being the brand of you, stand above the sea of sameness, get noticed and get booked, social media, and numerous other strategies. We also have another legend, godfather of the internet world. Both Matt Basak and Matt Fury are the godfathers of the internet. They were there when all of this was started. They're the people who pioneered an awful lot of the techniques and strategies and systems that we're using today to make money on the internet. And Matt Fury is going to talk about how to create emails that work. And he's going to talk about, is it a good idea to avoid controversy? You will be amazed at Matt's answer. right? The top secret way to come up with ideas and write about, even when you get writer's block. How often do you get stuck in it? Your phone's gone dead again. Scroll up, yeah. How to convert your gift for gab into star-studded and stellar money-drenching copy. The top 3 reasons people aren't reading your emails. How to get money out of a rock, which is very apt with the fact that I'm down at the Blarney Stone, and why Irish write the best emails of all time, and if you're not Irish, what to do about it. I think Matt's playing to my ego. So, not only have we Matt Bass and Matt Fury, we've also got an absolute host of other people that you see below, and we're going to be talking about e-commerce, how to make money from Shopify, how to make money from selling products, how to make money from copy, how to make money from selling other people's stuff. All of these different techniques are below. Not only that, how to create a great brand. Tracy is going to talk about how to create your brand online and how to make that absolutely dominate for you. The great news is you're going to get all of this directly to your phone or your laptop, so that you don't even have to go out and travel around the world like I did to learn all of this knowledge. You have the ability of now staying at home and getting these over 20 live workshops directly for absolutely free, because we want you to understand how you can actually make money on the internet, because there's so many people out there now talking about making money on the internet, and there's so many experts turning up every day. Every person who buys a phone or buys a laptop is an expert on something. But what you really want to do is just copy, swipe, steal, take, whichever word you want to do, or whichever word you want to use, and just take these from the people that are actually making the money. The most important thing is for you to go to who is actually making the money on the internet, making the money in the digital world, and learn directly from them. That is why you're getting this one-time event. Again, we're going to be talking about how to find products if you don't have a product, how to sell stuff on social media. You now have more access to the world than you ever had before thanks to this device. Okay, the amount of information that you can now get on a mobile phone is absolutely crazy, or on your smartphone, right? We all know it. Yet, you know, you're on social media. Are you using it to make money? You're on there anyway, you might as well use it to make money. And we have Paul O'Mahony coming in talking about exactly that, how you can crush it on social media. Not only that anymore, you don't even have to sometimes have a website. You can actually sell from a Shopify site, like the legendary Matt Stefanik is going to show you. We just have so many people and so many different speakers, and what they're going to show you and what they're going to talk about is truly remarkable. We've got Dave Perdue, and Dave is going to show you Evergreen Cash, how you can create a system that just works and brings in cash even while you sleep. We also have Tom Cohn coming on. Tom has made over $2 million by selling something for 20 bucks. But he sells it again and again every single month in a membership program. He's going to show you Membership Millions and how that works. We have Alicia Little coming on to show you how chatbots will now revolutionize your world, and how there's an absolutely huge opportunity for you to now cash in on this trend because you're at the start of the curve. We've got Monique Johnson coming on, and Monique is going to talk about exactly what I'm doing here, right? How to use video, especially on Facebook, to create a business, how to make money from it, how to get people to actually give you money off of Facebook by using live, because video has now become so important. We are covering every single aspect of the internet for you in this one. This is going to be an encyclopedia of knowledge when it's finished. There's over 20 people coming on. The full list is below. This video would last for 6 months if I went through what every single one of these people are doing, and every single one of these people are making money on the internet, are talking the talk and walk the walk, and that's very important, because I've been online for over a decade, as I said, all right? And the reality is I've met an awful lot of people who, you know, are making it on the internet. These people are actually making it on the internet and have a life that you want to get to, because that was the decision I had to make. So you understand, I had to change from a traditional business to a online business, and that was the decision I made. Not suggesting that you do that in an instant. but that was one of the decisions. So when I wanted to make that decision, having 5 kids, I wanted to make sure that I was going to the best of the best. And no, on Paddy's Day, the home of legends. See, St. Patrick actually brought in, he banished the snakes in Ireland is the legend, and he also brought in education. And that is why we're launching this on St. Patrick's Day. We're going to bring the same gift to you that St. Patrick brought to the Irish those centuries ago. So go below, click on the link now and register, and you will have over 20 legends of the digital world who are going to come on and share with you the strategies, the tools, the hows, the whys, and what is actually working today. And that's the important bit. They're going to show with you what they're actually doing in their business. This isn't theory, this isn't some idea, this isn't come from a book. This is what's actually working in their business today. And they're going to share that with you for absolutely free. Why? Because I know all of these people for years, and I have asked them to do it to celebrate St. Patrick's Day and the fact that I am the Irish marketer. So I've got all of these people come on for you to share you this gift of knowledge. So all you've got to do is click below, reserve your seat now. Seats are limited, guys, so please, get on. Seats are limited. You will be automatically registered for every single workshop, so you don't have to worry about that. We've taken care of everything for you. All you've got to do is to turn up on the day. Okay, there'll be over 20 different live sessions on all different topics, and you'll be getting information on every single topic. So my advice is come to every single one of them, because I know every single one of these guys are literally legends of the digital world and will show you how you can get the life that you want, the freedom that you want, the lifestyle that you want, the income that you want. It's all there for you to get. It's all available through the device I'm talking to you on today, which is down here in Blarney Castle. I'm walking around with my mobile phone and I'm recording this on my mobile phone. Imagine just the power of that compared to 10 years ago. And that's the other thing, guys. Look, people say, oh, it's much harder now to get online than it used to be. That couldn't be further from the truth. There is so much opportunity. These devices are going into everybody's hands. You wake up with it. You go to the one room in the house where you wouldn't go with anybody else, but you bring your mobile phone with you or your smartphone with you. You're never without it. And the opportunity coming from this is truly remarkable. You're going to learn, remember, how to build an email list that you can make money from every time you want to send an email, how to create killer emails, how to create your brand, how to have cash, evergreen cash, how to do e-commerce, simply automated using software, how to get all of these things for you, and how to get all of this up and running for your business in a simple, quick manner, in the way that these guys are doing it, in a tried and tested manner, which is more important, that these guys have actually done this and they are doing it in their business on a daily basis. So as I said, it's very important to remember, this is not theory. And if you have not had success, if you are not where you want to be, if you're going to go online for the first time, you want to make a second income, or you just want to make a few extra bucks on the side, while you have your job, or maybe you want to get out of your job at some point in time and change your career because you want to move on and get the life that you want, the lifestyle that you want. Then if that's the case, go below, register now, because this is a one-off event that will never ever happen again online, and it is Legends of the Digital World. So go below, click on the link now, and I look forward to seeing you on it.